back to DivaDollFlawless. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing. This is from Sparkle & Co. I was contacted by them a couple weeks ago and they asked if I was willing to do a review of my own thoughts and opinions on one of their dip powder kits. So the kit that I'll be sharing with you today is the basic dip kit, and it retails for $29.99 on their website. It is a $47 retail value, and they have also provided a coupon code of 15% that you all will be able to utilize, but it is not available for use on the subscription boxes, so it will work on anything but the subscription box. So I'm going to jump right in and see what we have. Opening the box, this is what it looks like. It says Sparkle & Co. Luxe Nails. Here is their Facebook as well as their Instagram information if you want to go ahead and screenshot that. And then the website is sparkleandco.com. I'll obviously have links to the website below so that you can check this out. And this is so cute. Okay, this is a full bag. Like a really nice bag. Oh wow. Okay, so it does have a mint green and pink. These are flamingos. The inside, and it feels heavy, so I'm guessing the products are at the bottom. So the inside opens up. Okay, there is a flamingo charm right here, so it's a little keychain that is adorable. My guess will be everything is at the bottom. Yes, it is. Okay, so we have, I believe these are the liquids. This says Sparkle & Co. Luxe Nails, but I can see the liquids through the packaging. Okay, and then there's also another bag. Okay, so I'm going to open these all up, and the bottom portion is insulated, so this bag in itself, for what you pay, you get a really nice size bag, which is reusable, and then your liquids, and I believe the powders are what's in the blue bag. Here is the Sparkle & Co. dip powder. This is the directions for how to apply their dip powder, and then at the bottom again you have their website, and then there is a reverse. Okay, so this side is for a fill and the front side is for the application. Okay, and then we also have here my coupon code. This is DDF15, and this again is for 15% off of your order on a website. And they also have a referral program. They have two. They have a referral program. If you order from them and you put my YouTube name in the referral area, you will receive a $9 credit, as well as myself, and that credit will be posted to your Sparkle & Co. account over a 1 to 2 month time span. And then the other referral that they have is the subscription referral, which is what I'll be showing you, and you'll receive a $18 credit as opposed to the $9 credit. So it's an important tip card. So it says it's always helpful to clean the room with acetone before closing and tightening. Also add our room protector, which is coconut oil, chapstick, or Vaseline to the room before closing each time. This will help the bottles open easily next time, which I know a lot of people complain because this is a resin based dip powder kit. Let me put that out there. It's not gel like all of the others that I show on my page. Okay, so now let's open up the powders, and again, this is just going to be an unboxing and introduction of the company. I obviously have nails on, so I haven't had time to remove them and try the products out. They even have little die cut pieces in here. Which I know some of you will be interested in this. This is the only reason why I was willing to do this review. I only review things that you guys are interested in. Sparkle & Co. July 2019 bag. So this tells you all the information. They have a contest announcement, a monthly tip on here. It also gives you the contents of the July 2019 subscription bag. Okay, so if you want to pause and screenshot, then feel free to do so. And then here's just more information, a thank you, a referral program, and also they talk about the exclusive colors. Now each subscription kit does have exclusive colors, so you cannot go on the website and purchase these colors without the subscription. They are limited to the subscription and only available to subscription members. So the first thing we're opening up here, this is the Sparkle & Co. Solidify number 3. So that's what came with this one. Okay, and you also get a sticker, powders, and they are swatched as well. So, and I just dropped them. Here are the Sparkle & Co. colors. They're already swatched, and hopefully the pink is picking up, but it does have some sparkle to it, so you don't even have to wait for my physical review to see what the colors look like. So this is what the colors look like. You get a pink, you get a, this is like a Barbie pink or a flamingo pink, because I'm sure that's what they were going for, but this one is called Let's Flamingo. The baby flamingo is the color in the middle, and Let's Take a Dip is the blue sparkle color, and these are gorgeous. Did include 2 dip liquids that are not a part of the month subscription, okay, but they provided them to allow me to do a complete full dip application, and the 2 that I'm about to show you are available for purchase on their website. So this bag, the flamingo bag that everything had inside of it, everything up until now is what you will get in your subscription box. So you will get a different liquid every month, 3 exclusive to the subscription box colors, your swatch sticks, and then again you got a sticker and some cute little die cuts that came along with it. So now let me open up these 2 liquids so that you can see what they sent me, so that you would know what you'll need to do an entire application, full dip application. The August subscription box sign up start July 20th. So if after seeing this video is something you're interested in, again, you can go ahead and start signing up for August subscription box on July 20th. And don't forget, if you do so, if you order anything outside of the subscription box, go ahead and use my coupon code DDF15. And if you do the subscription, go ahead and put my name again in the referral, my YouTube name, which is DivaDollFlawless. Put my YouTube name in the referral, and you will receive a $18 credit if you do the referral, and if you're just purchasing other products, then we will both receive a $9 credit. So that's really cool. Now, the liquids that were included are Base Bond number 2 and Glossy Coat number 4. So again, in my next video, which will be posted in the next couple of weeks, is going to include all of these products. I typically wear dip powders with press-ons, so most likely that's the type of application that I will do. I'm not going to do anything different. I'm going to use these the way that you all normally see me use dip powders. The only difference is these are not gel-based. They are like a resin-based product. So you don't need a lamp for it. All right, so this is my unboxing and first impressions. Everything is super girly, very beautiful and pretty. I do love the packaging. I do enjoy the little die cuts. If you've been following me for a while, you all know I like to be very detailed in anything that I give or receive. So having this on here is actually very nice. So I will see you all in the next video. If you have any other questions or comments, please post them below. Any that I am not able to personally comment on, then you can always feel free to get in contact with the customer service representatives over from Sparkle & Co. on their physical website. All contacts and links will be posted below, as well as the coupon code. And I hope you all saw something that you will enjoy. And as always, and until next time, have a gorgeous day, doll smooches. Mwah. Bye.